Wanna make money without showing your face? Then watch this video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to your channel. I'm Ali Psycho, and in this video I'm gonna to show you how to create your cartoon style characters and make videos without using your face and earning money in YouTube. My only sponsors is your like and subscribes. So let's go!
In first step, you must go to Leonardo Ai site and click on image option. In the next level, you must fill this part with the prompt that exists in description and click on generate. Now your character is ready. You can click on this and download your image. Now go to HeyGen site and click on avatars. Start from a photo and upload your photo. Choose your photo and click on done. Now scroll and click on upload. When you see this page, scroll this page and choose your character. Scroll again and click on this part. Now fit your character size to land space ratio. Click on audio option and upload your voice, and then click on generate option. Choose a name for your video and submit. Are you ready for result?
Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. If you have questions, just drop a comment below. I will put the site links in my Telegram channel to this ID. So take care of yourself, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.